YouTube family and heroes? This is Christian back again with another video just for all of you guys. Man, today is a special day mostly because number one, this is the second video of the overall doing a video every single day in November. But number two, because we are finally going ahead to get the Corvette registered out of state, guys. That's right. So we're going ahead and getting it registered out of state. Got the title, got all the information. I got the new address. I got the pay. I got everything that I need. Anyway, if you guys like the video, hit the like button. If you follow the journey, hit the subscribe button. Like I always keep saying, guys, go after your dreams and make them your reality. Anyway, let's have a great time. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Let's get it. Peace. Yo, this Super Duty, man, this thing is fire, bro. I absolutely love this, but man, I love my neighborhood, y'all. We have a really nice neighborhood. I have a golf course. That's right, I'm living on a golf course. Like I said, I'm gonna give you guys a lot more information, but I am now a golf course homeowner, guys. Let's get into it and let's get on our way to the DMV to give you guys an update, and hopefully this goes smooth. Got the money, got all my paperwork, like I said. Let's get to it. Now, before we go, I'm gonna double check and make sure. All right, I got my registration card here. I got the title here, and I got the verification of the VIN and vehicle here, and I do have some paperwork showing my home address with my name and some bill pay stubs and some utility bills. So we should be all set and ready to go. All right, y'all, so I'm going to show you guys exactly how to get your car registered out of state. I've never done this yet before. Now, since my car is still at RSFUTURE in California, I'm gonna be showing how to get your car registered out of state while your car is still in another state. And I also gotta get a new driver's license of this state as well. So I'm gonna be going ahead and getting a bunch of stuff. So this is just me showing you in real time, guys, how to register your car out of state. Man, the maps keeps talking, man. Shout out to the F-250 though, man. I love this truck. Absolutely love this truck. If you guys are in the market for trucks, this is not a paid ad, but man, these F-250s are really, really dope. These Super Duties are really, really nice. All right, y'all, so what I want to do is, like I said, show you guys exactly everything that you're going to need in order to register your cars out of state, especially if your car is not in the same state exactly. So if you're someone that's maybe from California trying to move to Arizona, move to Nevada, move to Oregon, Washington, Texas, or just wherever, this is the information that I have. So if you're trying to register a car out of state, the first thing that you guys are gonna need in order to register a car out of state is a valid driver's license, guys. So with a valid driver's license, you're gonna be able to transfer your driver's license to the next state. In some states, in some cases, you do not even have to take a test in order to change and transfer over, especially with COVID, with everything going on with COVID. Some states are doing a grace period where you do not have to take a driver test. You don't have to take a new written test. You just need to have a valid driver's license. Now, the next piece of information that I had when it came to registering my car was I did have the title of the car mailed in from the lien holder of my vehicle. They actually were able to send it in to me, so that way I was able to take it in to the DMV as well. This process does take a while. It took me about, I think, 4 to 6 weeks in order to get mine in. Could be shorter, could be longer for some others. But I had the title, so that way that they can see who was the lien holder of it. They can verify the information of the vehicle. The next thing I had when I brought in the information to get the car registered was I did have the registration of the Corvette or whatever car that you guys have. Make sure you guys bring in your registration of that vehicle, so that way they can also see that the registration's up to date. They can see all the information, they can verify the information and have that in. I'm unsure if this is a need per se, but this is what I brought and this is what they checked. So number 3 is to make sure you have your registration card, so that way they can go ahead and just one more time verify that everything is good, go in their systems. They probably check to make sure there's no outstanding balances. There's probably nothing with their driver record. There's nothing with the car that needs to be addressed before you get the car titled and registered out of state. Now, the fourth and most important piece of information that you will need in order to have your car registered and titled out of state is going to be the vehicle VIN confirmation that you do get from a DMV. Now this is very important, especially if you're trying to register a car that is out of state that you do not have with you. If you have the car with you, it's a much easier process. You can just take the car into the DMV, you can show them your driver's license, you can show them the information of the car, and then they can verify the car themselves there. But if you're trying to register a vehicle out of state that is currently not in the state that you are trying to register into, you need what is called a vehicle VIN paper, pretty much, that states that you took the car into a DMV. They were able to verify the VIN in multiple places on the vehicle. They were able to verify the engine. They were able to verify all the components of the car. They were able to verify the vehicle itself. And that way, if you get this signed, you get this taken care of, then you can go ahead and show it to the DMV to show them that, hey, this vehicle VIN matches the registration matches the title matches the information, the address, and the name of the owner or driver on your driver's license, and then they can use all of that together in order to register your car out of state. And new plates, I did go ahead and get the registration for my vehicle. I even have the tags, the plates, the registration, everything. I even went ahead and got a brand new driver's license. I have a temporary driver's license picture and frame and just kind of temporary paperwork right now until the real driver's license comes in a few weeks. But I was able to go ahead and get the driver's license. I was able to go ahead and get the car registered with all of those components that I put out there in order to get it registered out of state. But as I did mention at the beginning of this video, my vehicle is still in the body shop, but I was able to go ahead and get this car registered in the state that I currently am in without the vehicle actually being here. You might have your car somewhere and you can't take it to the state that you need to get registered in, or there's a situation where you want to get it registered before you bring it up to wherever you're at, or just moving. If you move somewhere and you want to bring over a car and you don't have the car currently with you, this is a process that you guys can go ahead and do in order to register your car. Anyway, like I said, I hope this was an informative video. I hope this was a fun video. I'm trying to show a few different things. I'm trying to be a little bit more personable for you guys. I'm trying to just kind of have more of a vlogging, more of an in-person style. I'm a very private person, so excuse me if I'm not doing the best enough job of really showcasing kind of my everyday, day-to-day life type of situations. I really love just kind of being to myself. I really am not a braggadocious kind of guy. I'm really not a guy that likes to go around saying, hey, I'm doing this, I'm doing this, I'm doing this. But I know that a lot of you have been asking me for a long time. A few of my buddies, shout out to Eddie as well, have been telling me that, hey, like, people want to see your day-to-day life. They want to kind of know you. They want to interact with you. They want to feel like, you know, they can grow with who you are, not just the content you make. So I really want to do a better job of doing that. But anyway, hope you guys like this video. Want to make it nice and quick and just informative for you guys. If you guys like the video, hit the like button, follow the journey, subscribe button. And like I always keep saying, guys, go after your dreams and make them reality, because the world needs more heroes. We all get the power to be one. Everyone stay blessed, y'all. Stay safe. Let's get it. Peace.